She is a pillar of the house. She is 71. But still she cooks perfectly. She does all the maintenance, everything she looks after.
इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल कि वो ओपन हार्ट सर्जरी हो, तो डॉक्टर ने उनको बोले कि मैं नहीं चाहता कि ये हो, बट और भी चीज़ें हैं, यू कैन शो टू कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट, बट इट इज़ द लाइक बेस्ट थिंग जो डॉक्टर कुड डू विद सच ए कॉम्प्लिकेटेड केस. बेसिकली शी हरसेल्फ इज़ वेरी ब्रेव. उन्होंने एकदम 1 मिनट के लिए भी नहीं बोला कि मुझे डर लग रहा है, क्या होने वाला है मेरे साथ. शी वॉज वेरी पॉजिटिव. सो इसकी वजह से वी कुड टेक दिस डिसीजन. तो बट माई डॉटर लाइक शी सेड कि यू शुड गो फॉर इट, और जयपुर में हो रहा है, तो दैट इज़ वेरी गुड.
What I want to tell you about a historical breakthrough in field of medicine, in interventional cardiology, and that is a procedure called TAVI, transcatheter aortic valve replacement. There have been a few procedures which have really changed the way we practice and treat our patients, starting with balloon angioplasty to open up the blockages, and then we got the stents to really keep the blockages open for a long term. Similarly, the TAVI is a real breakthrough technology which is very useful for a patients with condition called aortic stenosis. Now, what is aortic stenosis? Aortic stenosis is the disease of old age because of wear and tear on the aortic valve. Calcium deposits and it stops opening and decreases the opening over time.
Once aortic stenosis occurs, patient develops dyspnea, chest pain, dizziness, syncope, blackout. These are the symptoms. Diagnosis of aortic stenosis is done by echocardiography. Once diagnosis is done by echocardiography, then there are two modalities of treatment. One is surgery, open heart surgery, and the second one is transcatheter aortic valve implantation.
Initially, heart valve used to be treated only by surgical methods, by open heart surgery. But now there is a new technology available which has changed the treatment spectrum, that is known as the transcatheter valve, TAVR or TAVI. We need to decide which patient is good for TAVR, means transcatheter valve, or which patient is good for surgical aortic valve replacement. For that, we need to have a heart team. What is heart team? Heart team is a mixture of doctors in which a cardiologist, a cardiac surgeon, anesthetist, physiotherapist, psychologist all sit together and decide best treatment for that particular patient. And if we apply heart team approach, then the results for that particular patients are always very good and very encouraging. Transcatheter valve can be put through a small incision into the groin, means thigh vein artery. It goes into the disease valve and we just implant it there. All this investigation been done before, and then very easily we can implant it without any incision into the patient.
TAVI can be performed without general anesthesia under conscious sedation. Advantage of this technique is there is a faster recovery, shorter ICU and hospital stay.
After we perform transcatheter aortic valve implantation, we mobilize the patient immediately next day. On the third day, the patient can go home. Patient is not restricted by any activity. They can start their daily activity as they do or as they were doing before.
So that's a dramatic improvement from someone who used to have open heart surgery and have a rehabilitation and recovery another 1 or 2 months. So 2 months has been decreased to 1 week by this TAVI procedure. So TAVI actually has become standard in various countries in the world. The TAVI, although it's a life-saving procedure for many patients, particularly who cannot go for surgery. At the same time, TAVI now is recommended for all patients, whether they are high risk or low risk for surgery, because it is simple, very effective, very low complication and very rapid recovery. And that is what we are trying to propagate and educate our medical fraternity and our patients that if there is a choice and you can afford it, go for TAVI, because it is a really, really remarkable breakthrough technology, and you will be able to get back to your work and your daily routine activity in no time after the procedure.
And I am really proud to say that Eternal Hospital has the best heart team, comprises of cardiologists, surgeon, anesthetists, physiotherapist, psychologists, and that's why we give the best treatment to our patient. Our results in the country are most satisfying, and that's why we are the leader of transcatheter therapy in this country.